Hey guys, what is up? And today we are playing some more Madden Mobile. So we are gonna play some games this time. You guys have been telling me to play games, but don't tell me I'm getting this guy for if I'm getting that for free. Like, if you want to see my team, I got a new team. Next to that. No, it's not the best team, but I have Zeke. Might only be a 7-7 overall, but he's good. So here we are, season. Before I go into my season, I am going to live events. And I'm going to go check on my sets quick. Pretty sure I need one more Super Bowl thing. Yeah, I need one more to get a pack, which I'm about to do right now. For one. So here we are. Okay, what do we need? 4. Complete pass to highlighted player. Okay, what did I throw to? Oh, Matthews. Oh, he caught it. It tipped off of one of my players. He's my newest player, and he caught it. Cooks, Brandon Cooks. Yeah. Okay, now we need... Who's that? Cobb. Let's go. Just to let you know, I am a Packers fan. But since the Super Bowl just happened, I was with the Falcons. I was going for the Falcons in the Super Bowl, so yeah. Okay, and we got the Super Bowl badge. Let's go. Wait. You don't get it? I thought we were the Ultimate Legend thing. That would be awesome. Okay, so let's go to sets. Pack at it, it's back at it. Put that right there. Claim reward. Okay. It's gonna be 80. Yep, I knew it. I knew it. Then I also have enough for this. I can get that. I have a lot of things here that I can get. Wait. Can I take that out? No! Darn it! I messed up real bad, guys. I messed up real bad. Pack at it. It's back. Okay. 36 players. Very unusual. Okay, so back. Live events. Season. We are playing against the Giants. Let's receive. Okay, here we are. Boop, 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 boop. Boop. Kick that ball over. Receive the... Oh, Billy. Okay. Truck. Successfully juke someone. Can I truck them? Does that count? It's hard to juke someone. Truck someone. This thing. Good at trucking people. Ah! Okay. Okay, so just this one. Where's my Zeke? Oh my Zeke. I'm going back. Save and exit right quick. Where's my Zeke? I put him in my team. I was thinking put him in. So hopefully when I go back to this game, I will have Zeke. So we're going in. Please, you have a Zeke. Okay, there we go. You got a Zeke. Even though he's only a 77 overall, he's pretty darn good. For the ninjas, I'm going for it. Are you insane? Like, that was too easy. Comment down below if you think there should be flags in this game, because there's many in this game. Go tell EA Sports there should be flags in this game. They're the ones that made regular Madden, and they put it on a tablet and a phone. And they don't even put flags, but in the real version, there's flags. Like, dude. EA Sports. What is wrong? Bang. Touchdown. It's too easy. Okay, Graham. Romo's right there. Watch. Romo. Bounced off of his head. That was too funny. Scoop kick. I don't come in. Legs. Woo. Got them legs. Got them legs. Legs. Bang. Okay. Here. Go. No. Yeah! Block! Guys, if you didn't know, I got new headphones. Wearing them right now as I'm doing this gameplay. Nope! Woo! I'm gonna go on this side with Randall Cobb. What? No, get back here. Get back here, you kicker. Yeah. I probably had to run because I was about to stink and block that. You didn't see. I wish I could do replays, but I don't know stinking how to. If another YouTuber is watching this video and I know how to do replays, tell me so I can show you. Nope.
Really?
Hey!
If you were gonna kill me, you would have done it by now. No, we're not gonna kill you.
Okay, here we are.
Honestly, you beg for it.
I scrambled. Oh, I just had a good scrambling quarterback. Wish I had a good.
Turner's gonna call.
This guy's not fast.
If I don't answer, if I don't pick up,
Won't be cheering for long.
I sound distressed. She's in the wind.
Bang. Stupid. Sorry.
Now you're wondering why you make me talk without tipping her off.
That's a flag. He just tackled him.
You can't kill me.
That's in.
And you've definitely
What? What?
What? Toss it up.
This game is mean. Very mean.
Fellas.
Woohoo! Oh, I almost got him. Nope. Yeah. Here we are. No! Victor Cruz is too good. Why? Guys, I just took off my headphones. I don't like this game. Like, if you saw that, like, I dived for him and missed him. I was very close. That's it. Okay. Look at me. Look at me. I came in like a... Okay. Yeah. Oh. How did he catch that? No. No. How do you fumble? My question. Get off me. Get off me. Get off me, peeps. Peeps. And guys, probably maybe today we will be doing a challenge. I don't know. Ow.
Trust me, if all you have left is that move, soon you're dead already. Let's try again. We're gonna kick to the balls to it, okay?
Whoa, that went fast. Go, 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 go. Oh! Jukes! Juke, get off me. I'm throwing it deep. Yeet! Oh! Oh! Touchdown! Woohoo! Like, oh, you guys got juked by that. Oh. Squid. Go, go, get it, get it.
Are you more upset that I treated you like a woman?
Woohoo!
Or that I treated you like
Woohoo! The pack at it is back at it.
I should have been the one to go talk to her. I could handle myself. I would have done better.
Whoa! You saw that massive hit. Oh.
Is it really so important that you make every decision? You know?
Come here, come here. Oh, I tripped him.
I'm used to it.
I tripped him. Exactly what I wanted to do.
Used to be.
Obviously.
I'm trying to apologize.
Go on.
Beckham Jr. not happening. Even though
Patronize me.
I'm asking your opinion.
Well, we could go.
bye.